What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Erin. I create lifestyle videos, so everything from fashion, beauty, wellness, and travel, it's all going down here. Today's video, we are going to be doing a little closet clean out. It's that time of year again. I actually can't believe fall is literally just around the corner. Where the heck has time gone? So usually I like to clear out my wardrobe every spring and every fall, just go through everything, see what I still wear all the time, what I haven't worn, or maybe things aren't fitting how they used to, and yeah, just give it a refresh and see where I'm at. So that's the plan for today. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by literally taking everything out of my closet and just sticking it on the bed, and then I'm gonna re-hang all of the pieces that I know for sure that I'm gonna be keeping, and then I'll deal with the leftovers after.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wise.
So I definitely recommend taking every piece out of your closet. That way you're forced to go through each item one by one, and you can really ask yourself, when was the last time I wore this? Does it still fit? Is it comfortable? And make your decision from there.
Silent treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we start this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames, breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser, going like the match, babe.
Alright, so I've come up with a maybe and a no pile, so I'm just gonna go through all of my no's for you. So the first thing is a white cami right here. Reason being, I like this one a lot better. This one wrinkles up a little bit, and I'm not a fan of the material as much as I like this one. So that's my first no. Next is this jacket here. I kept this the last time I cleared out my closet, thinking I would wear it again. I didn't wear it all last fall or winter, so I'm thinking I probably wouldn't wear it again this fall or winter. So that's the reason that I'm not gonna keep this one anymore. Just, I didn't wear it in at least a year. So next up, this jumpsuit. Okay, I've had this jumpsuit for years, for so long, since Target was in Canada, because I got it from Target. I really do like it, but once again, I haven't worn it. I can't even remember the last time I've worn it, and I've kept it cycle after cycle thinking I would wear it again, and I just never have. So this time, it's going. So next up is another top. I have this cami here, and this one, same reasoning. I haven't worn it in a really long time, and I've kept it time after time thinking I would wear it again, and I just haven't. So this time I'm like biting the bullet, I feel like, on a lot of things that I've kept for those cycles, and they have to go if I haven't worn them. Next up is this dress here. So I like this dress, but it's really, really heavy, and I'm just not feeling the fit of it anymore, really. I find it's a little poofy, and it makes me feel a little bit bigger when I'm wearing it, so I'm just not as comfortable in it anymore, which is why I'm not keeping that one. Oh, and it's stuck on my necklace. There we go. Next up is this blazer. Now this blazer here I bought online last year or the year before, and I thought it looked so cute online, and then when it came in, I was actually really disappointed, and I never got around to returning it, so it's just been hanging out in my closet. But I thought it was gonna be a nicer, thicker, like blazer material, and it's a jersey, so it's not what I had in mind, so I never really was loving it from the get-go, and I just haven't worn it or turned to it. That's why I'm not hanging on to this item. So those are all of my no's. Now we're moving on to my maybes. Okay, the first item in my maybe pile is this kimono right here. I think it's really cute. It's all black with the white stripe on it, so it gives it that pop. Yeah, I'm just really not sure. I haven't worn it in a really long time, which is why it's in the maybe pile, but I'm not sure if I want to part ways with it quite yet. So yeah, we're not sure. Next up is this top here. I really like this top. I wear it a lot. Maybe I will keep it since I do get a lot of wear out of it, and it's a great fall and winter top. Yeah, I think I will actually hang on to that. Next up is, I have this black maxi dress. It's actually kind of like a bathing suit cover up. That's more what it was meant for, but I wore it as a maxi dress a lot. And I think I'm actually going to part ways with this one this time. I have not worn this in years. The fabric is starting to pill a lot as well, so bye. And last but not least in the maybe pile, I have this blouse here. It is a short sleeve white blouse. It really needs an iron, I'm sorry. And it ties up into a bow at the front. And this is another one that I'm really, really on the fence about. It's super cute. Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it for another year. We'll see if I wear it. The only thing I'm still really unsure about is this kimono. So I'm going to sit on this, I think, and then decide a little bit later what I want to do with it, because I don't know. I'm not going to make a rash decision just yet. Okay, so now that I've gotten that part of my closet done, I'm going to go through all of my bottoms and my shelf with my t-shirts and just super casual long sleeve tops. Okay, so I just retried this on, and it pretty much sealed the deal that I am gonna keep it because it's really cute and it looks really good with this outfit, so I'm probably gonna wear this out later today. Not gonna lie.
You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove the point. I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days.
Okay, so these are the pants I decided not to keep. I have this pink pair here, then I have a black pair. I already have a few pairs of black pants. And then over here, these are just a couple pairs of skinny jeans. I'm just not really feeling them anymore, to be honest, and they're not fitting the way I want them to fit, so that's why I'm not gonna hang on to any of those. I feel like I've been a skinny jean girl for as long as I can remember. Those are the only types of jeans that I've ever really bought. This year, / going into the fall and the winter and next year, I really want to start experimenting with more straight leg jeans. I am a pear shape personally, so I feel like that would be a little bit more flattering on my body type, so that is something that I do want to start experimenting with. I am keeping a couple of pairs of skinnies, like my high-waisted black skinny jeans. Those are one of my favorites, but I do want to try experimenting with a few more shapes and just seeing how I like them. But yeah, that wraps up my bottoms. Here we have my bottoms, so these are the jeans I'm keeping, and then over here I have 2 pairs of leggings, some joggers, and then my wide leg pants and dress pants here. Now on to my t-shirt. I am gonna leave all of my sweaters back here still, just because I love them all still and I'm not planning on parting ways with any of them, so they're just gonna stay there and the rest is coming out. Okay guys, last but not least, I'm gonna go through the t-shirts that I'm parting ways with. So the first thing is actually a bodysuit. I never really wear it. I'm really tall, like I have a long torso, so bodysuits are super uncomfortable for me. And also going to the bathroom in a bodysuit is super annoying, so I find myself never really wearing it. And it's one of those ones that doesn't have the buttons at the crotch, so you can't even undo it. You have to fully take it off if you have to go to the bathroom. So that's why I'm parting ways with this one. It's just not so practical, and I don't wear it because it's not practical. Next up is this gray t-shirt. I have another gray t-shirt that I wear and like a lot better than this one, so that's why I'm not hanging on to that one. Next up is this graphic tee that I have, and I actually cut this one into a crop top. I cut it a little bit too short and I was really disappointed after I cut it. I'm not usually a huge fan of my midriff showing, so that's why I think I'm gonna part ways with this one, just because I did only ever really wear it over a dress, and I really like the other graphic tee that I have now a lot better, and I get a ton of use out of that one, so I'm just gonna part ways with that one. And last but not least, what is this? Oh, my black t-shirt. So my black t-shirt has actually finally bitten the dust. There's a big hole in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, right like in the middle of the back, and the fabric is starting to pill a lot. So it's seen better days. I need a new black t-shirt, I think. So that sums up my closet clean out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I do like to do this twice a year, once in the spring and once in the fall. Number one, you just go through everything that you own and can really reassess your wardrobe, see what you're still loving, what you're not loving anymore, what fits, what doesn't fit. And number two, it also gives you the opportunity to reorganize your wardrobe. I love that feeling. I love when everything's folded properly in the right place. I have all my hanging stuff in the right order. I just love that. It's such a good feeling. So if you guys are getting ready to do your fall wardrobe clear out, then hopefully this video inspired you a little bit. And that sums it up. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just want